going to look at tiles today for the firehouse, and this was just too appropriate not to share. JC is going to kill me, but it is what it is. So, white tile and dark hair do not mix. Now, obviously, I wasn't with her when I designed this place. I was single. I love the design of the bathroom. I still love the design of the bathroom. But we're designing a different bathroom for the firehouse, and that's one of the reasons why. The goal today is to get a couple of options for all the different spaces in the firehouse. We've got the master bath, the vestibule, we've got the backsplash for the bar, etc. JC couldn't be with me, so my goal is to get a couple of different options for tile for each of these spaces, things that I'm happy with, I think that she'll be happy with too. The key here, don't get overwhelmed. These showrooms are packed with tile. The key is working with somebody who's got a good team, who knows what you're looking for. I've sent these guys a bunch of information in advance. They know the style I'm going for, so they're gonna be picking stuff to help me meet those goals. They're gonna have a ton of samples. You're gonna be able to take them with you, go home, digest, do a little bit more research. Every time you see something new, it's gonna spark a new idea. So don't feel like you have to come here knowing what you want. I have really very little idea as to what I wanna do with tile right now, other than the few PDFs that Chris sent me in advance. So I'm really excited to dive into this thing. This is a couple of hours. Make sure you've got the dedicated time. Don't be in a rush to go somewhere else. There is a lot to go through. Have a blast with it. Is current plans, and then shitty printer and all, mood board for the different rooms, just so we have something to write on.
Nice,
and then I've got this whole thing digitally so that you can actually see good representations of like what I've laid out. Okay, and I brought my Kohler stuff too, in case you need to see any of the fixtures that are but most of my stuff is matte black.
The more the merrier. I mean, this is already great to work with. We start with a lot less in most projects. So
yeah,
well, like, this is candy in a candy store.
That's why we're doing this. Come prepared. It benefits you.
Yes.
So you guys sent me.
Yes.
You guys sent me 3 brochures. So first of all, I loved all 3 of those. Like you definitely, from our first meeting, you definitely got where I wanted to be.
I thought those would be more in line with what you were kind of envisioning for, especially for the bar splash, and now doing it, by a little fireplace style like that too. Yeah.
So the Malm, like old school 60s. See the render I did too, like kind of like an asymmetrical kind of pattern behind it. And it serves a purpose in the sense that it's going to allow me to get the fireplace closer to the wall.
Yeah.
I love that. I mean, that's almost what we were just looking at, just without the red.
Exactly. It's replaced with the white color. This is our Roni Hex. That's the name of the pattern.
Is there a way I can bring a sample of that home?
Yes, for sure.
Sweet. Oh, it's gonna be heavy leaving this place today. There's a couple of these patterns that really work or could work. I like this a lot too. Those we can put back on the shelf. This is what?
Oh, it was these are liners to play with the hex.
Why am I just seeing this now?
So the same concept as the 4D, but this is specifically made to go around the hex shape.
Yes.
Now it's paired with a different collection from the same manufacturer.
Yeah,
This
I get
is
it, but this is like, I'm feeling
$50.
this for the backsplash now. Yo. This Guy's on speakerphone. Very, very successful trip to Garden State Tile. Super stoked with where we are right now. Have a ton of samples I already put in the back of the car because I couldn't do both things at once. But I got a lot to show JC. I've got a lot to think about. I want to get home and take some of these patterns, transform them into materials within Chief Architect, and get the actual patterns on the walls. Do I have any final decisions? No. Do I think today was a success? Overwhelmingly. Really, really excited. Don't forget, it's a process. Enjoy the process. Want to look at tiles?
Yes, so excited. Feels like Christmas.
Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. So here are tiles proper.
Oh wow, those are so cool.
And then all the remaining ones.
It's hairproof.
What do you?
That's so smart.
What do you think I'm doing here, lady?
We can't do blue. It's not even an option.
This is hairproof.
Yes.
Yeah,
God,
I wanted
you're
a
smart.
busy pattern so that all this stuff gets hidden. And don't worry, by this point of the episode, they've already seen what I filmed the other day.
Stop it, you did it.
Yeah. Oh, but we're not going to talk about that now.
I'm so embarrassed.
Maybe up in the bar. That's what I found that I freaked out about.
Oh my god.
So it's
What
like
is that?
super
What do you call that?
awesome.
Yeah. I really like this.
What do you think of that? Is that going to be acceptable?
Is it Rossi approved?